A very good morning, dear students. Welcome all. I hope you all are doing well at home. In this video, we will start the new chapter, Chapter 9, Work and Energy. What is work? Work is the energy required to move an object against a force. We do various kind of work in our daily lives. We pull out our notebook from our bag. We push the ball with a bat. When we push or pull, we apply force on them. Pull and push are the forces that we apply in order to do some work. Thus, work is said to be done when we move something. For example, when you are pushing someone in a toy car, work is said to be done. Work is done when you move something. If you push a wall and it does not move, then we can say work is not done, no matter how much energy you have spent. Energy. Energy is needed all the time to make machine work. In factories, gadgets at home, vehicles on the road, planes in the air, etc. Living things are using energy all the time. They get energy from different sources. We eat different kinds of food to provide us energy. These are called energy-giving foods. For example, foods like cereals, butter, oils, etc. These food items are rich sources of carbohydrates and fats. Both carbohydrates and fats burn in body to release energy. Fats produce double energy than carbohydrates. Energy can be obtained from many sources. For example, a car gets energy to move from the fuel. Petrol, diesel, natural gas and coal are sources of energy. Electricity is another source of energy used for electrical gadgets and machines. A battery has chemicals which produce electricity. It means we use chemicals as source of energy in a battery. Some other ways to get energy. Energy from the wind is called wind energy. It is a natural resource and does not cause any pollution. Wind energy is used to generate electricity and play an important role in flying of aeroplanes and gliders. Next is energy from the sun. Energy from the sun is called solar energy. Sun is the prime source of energy for the earth. Solar energy gives rise to many forms of energy. Energy stored in a battery is a chemical energy. Energy from falling water is water energy which is being used to make electricity. Nuclear energy is used for making electricity. Electrical energy is made in a thermal power plant using fossil fuels. Now the question arises, do we have enough energy? Petrol, diesel, natural gas and coal are obtained from the inside of the earth. These are limited. These sources of energy will perish one day. That is why they are called non-renewable source of energy. The energy obtained from sun, wind and water are unlimited. It means they will not perish or finish. These are therefore called renewable sources of energy. Scientists all over the world are working on the best use of energies from renewable sources. The energy received from these sources cost less and do not pollute the environment. Now another question arises, which is the best source? An energy source is something from which you get energy. Coal, diesel, wind, sun, etc. are all energy sources. Some energy sources are non-renewable. This means that they cannot be renewed like coal, oil and natural gas. Some are renewable. They will not finish. These are the sun and wind. Wood only if you replant the trees and the animal dung. These things are renewable. Some energy resources pollute the earth when we use them, like coal, oil and natural gas. Some energy resources are non-polluting, like sun, wind and water. The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. Scientists are always trying to discover new non-polluting renewable energy resources. The waste of domestic animals like cow dung is being used in gas plant to make gas for cooking purpose. Forms of energy. Energy exists in many ways. The various forms of energy are heat, light energy, chemical energy, wind energy, sound energy, and electrical energy. It is interesting to know that one form of energy can be transformed or changed into another form. For example, when we use a battery, the chemical energy is changed to electrical energy. Even when we switch on a fan, electrical energy changes into mechanical energy and the fan rotates. Heat energy. Heat is the transfer of energy from one object to another due to a difference in temperature. Heat can be measured in joules. Joule is the unit of heat. Heat energy on earth comes from the sun. Example of heat energy are burners of a stove is a source of heat energy. Anything placed on the stove when warmed, whether tea or coffee, becomes a source of heat energy. Automobile fuels such as gasoline are sources of heat energy. A piece of bread, when turned into a piece of toast, becomes a source of heat. Light energy. Light energy is the only type of energy visible to the human eye. The biggest source of light energy comes from the sun. The sun gives an incredible amount of energy to our planet Earth. Without light energy from the sun, plants, animals, and human beings would not survive. Examples of light energy. Plants use light energy to make food. Humans and animals would be unable to see anything without light. Other sources of light energy are bulbs used in lamps and for lighting our homes. Sound energy. Sound is energy that is made by vibrations. When an object vibrates, it causes the particles to move in. The air particles bump into each other and then bump into others. This continuous bumping causes a sound wave. Thus, ears hear sound. Example of sound energy are an airplane taking off, a car engine, a buzzing bee, and a car door closing. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy that comes from electricity. Lightning is an example of electrical energy found in nature. Water, wind, and fossil fuels are all sources of electrical energy. Electrical energy can come from batteries also. So these were the different forms of energy. With this, we come to the end of the chapter. Please do write the given lesson plan in your notebook and objective exercises in the textbook. Thank you.